On April 7, 2024, police launched an epic chase as the female driver sped off like the streets were her personal stage. At the first stop, it seemed like everything was over when she pulled over and cooperated. But no, after a few clever excuses, she suddenly jumped back into the car and took off again. Bringing it all to an end was a decisive pit maneuver by the police, slamming the car into the guardrail, a dramatic finale to the reckless journey the driver herself pushed to its peak. A dramatic night on the highway as police chased an old pickup truck. The driver sped at 100 miles per hour, causing 5 collisions. And despite severe tire damage, he continued to flee, sparking danger and sparks along the road. The vehicle stopped, and the driver, barefoot and shirtless, fled on foot, attempting to approach another vehicle. Police used a taser to subdue and arrest him while continuing to investigate the related collisions.
I had turned 173 eastbound, fell and stopped. Too bad for him. Bridge area. Got target 1033 Dashcam, 133 eastbound. 86. You put 50. I show you for 171 westbound. I'm 231. Yeah, 1040, you have excursion. 24, 3 dash circuit. I got at least 5 times. California 28, the bump is hanging off there on the street. Westbound 10, westbound 170. 21, give us speed and traffic conditions. South 1586. I'm crossing the way you're putting it out. 10 speed, 120. Light traffic. You tried to ram me. Good, we're 120 light traffic. You trying to wait? Trying to hit me. Good, we'll call you for that. Units are saying get these down to units and route them for 180. Access over here, Tina. Hit. Cover copy, Tina. Ratio about 158. Hey! 80. Access over here, Tina. Hit. Cover copy, Tina. Ratio about 158. Hey! Got a grab him back on foot, he's in the ditch. I got 40 chains. He's in the ditch. Crossing the median. You gotta stop!
On October 14th, 2024, Officer James Booth spotted a gray Volkswagen speeding on Interstate 40 without a license plate. When he signaled for the vehicle to stop, the driver accelerated to over 100 miles per hour, leading to a pursuit across multiple roads. The suspect sped through the gas station, entered the parking lot, and broke through a wooden fence before plunging into a ditch, attempting to flee on foot. Police pursued and used a taser to subdue him. Marquis Thompson was arrested, taken to the hospital for injury evaluation, and faced multiple serious charges.
It's coming back out.
The chase erupted with daring driving maneuvers as the suspect sped up, changed lanes constantly, defied the police, and gambled with fate at every dangerous turn.
Come on, right now.
Christian activity? Christian activity.
The car sped into a crowded area, with the suspect making a desperate U-turn in search of escape. The journey ended in tragedy, leaving behind the heartbreaking image of someone driven to the edge. The Ford Fusion carrying 5 people sped at 85 miles per hour, ignoring the stop order. Sudden braking on the wet road caused the car to skid, plunging everything into dangerous chaos.
Adam Nora Edward, 9, something that's got a broken out rear window, 4 or 5 occupants. Eastbound Silver Spring approaching Sunny Point. Braking for one vehicle on the road that's already pulled over. Adam Edward Nora, 9253, southbound 12th Street from Silver. There's a female in the back seat. You're going to go west on Birch. So going back north on 13th, you're going to come out to Silver Spring. Going to go west on Silver, slowed for the stop sign. We're just almost lost control. West Silver Spring. Bricks! Enough! Westbound Silver Spring. They're going under the railroad tracks. Continuing westbound, speeds are at about 85 miles an hour. They keep braking. I'm only about a block back from it. Coming up to the 2300 block. They're hitting the brakes here. We're down about 35 miles an hour. Adam Nora Edward, 9523. Continuing westbound at about 80 miles an hour. We're coming up to Titonia. I'm going to take the Titonia ramp. There is, I believe, an FPD squad on Silver Spring at the end of the Titonia. Northbound Titonia. Roads are damp but fairly dry. Speeds about 75 to 85 miles an hour. We're picking up speed as we approach Carmen. Still northbound. Speeds are getting to about 95. Is there any squad that can get to Good Hope in Titonia? It's braking because there's 2 cars on the road. Vehicles are pulling over for my squad. Still northbound. 766 dispatch. Did we get any information on that plate? Back eastbound on Mill. Rex. They blacked out. Well, they're coming to mill. They're going to be there shortly. They went dead end. Someone go south and get them on the other side of this. Still eastbound Mill, now southbound on Bridgewood. Westbound Fairfield. They drastically slowed. Bricks.
North Green Bay.
They have a flat. They're doing about 60 miles an hour right now. I'm right on them. They're slowing as they're coming up the curve here. These front driver's side tire, I believe, is flat. Coming up to Good Hope, speeds are slowing here. Smell of burning rubber. They're losing more air in their tires. They're in the bike lane and the southbound lanes going northbound, but the speeds are at about 30 miles an hour. We're going to get a foot bail. If you run, the dog's coming! If you run, the dog is fucking coming! Don't you fucking move!
The car with a flat tire burst into flames, forcing the suspect to stop. A K-9 unit quickly surrounded and captured the 19-year-old girl. Will she realize it's all over?